Hey Slim Hacks fam, welcome back to your favorite channel for easy ways to shed pounds without starving or sweating buckets. Today we're diving into a game changer, how tweaking your sleep can melt fat while you dream. Sounds wild, right? I've got 5 science-backed tips to turn your sleep into a weight loss weapon, plus a little secret I stumbled on that's changing lives. Hit that like button if you're ready to wake up slimmer, and let's jump in. First, why does sleep matter? Research from Harvard shows poor sleep messes with your hunger hormones. Ghrelin goes up, making you crave snacks, while leptin drops, so you never feel full. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found folks getting less than 6 hours of sleep gain weight faster, even eating the same calories. It's like your body's fighting against you. Tip 1. Stick to a sleep schedule. Same bedtime, same wake up, even on weekends. This syncs your circadian rhythm, boosting metabolism. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Use an app like Sleep Cycle to nail it. Tip 2. Wind down right. Dim lights an hour before bed, skip screens, and try relaxing with a book or meditation. Blue light from phones tricks your brain into staying awake, killing melatonin. Sip chamomile tea. Its natural compounds calm you down and improve sleep quality, per a 2017 study. Tip 3. Eat smart at night. Heavy meals disrupt sleep and spike blood sugar. Go for light snacks like Greek yogurt with almonds. University of Chicago research says this curbs nighttime cravings and keeps your metabolism humming. Tip 4. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Keep it cool, around 65 degrees Celsius, dark and quiet. Blackout curtains or a white noise machine can help. Sleep medicine studies show cooler rooms boost deep sleep, where your body burns fat most effectively. Tip 5. Add natural sleep aids. Herbs like valerian root or hops have been used for centuries to promote restful sleep. A 2018 Science Direct study found valerian boosts non-REM sleep by 53%, prime time for fat burning. Combine these with other natural compounds, and you've got a recipe for waking up lighter. Want to know the secret I mentioned? I found something that blends these sleep-enhancing ingredients into one easy step you can take before bed. It's helped me and thousands of others drop pounds without changing diets. Curious? Check the link in the description for the full scoop. It is a game changer you want to hear about from big diet companies. That's it. 5 ways to hack your sleep for weight loss. Try them and drop a comment with your results. Subscribe for more slim hacks, and I'll catch you next time.